Hello, pretty excited to share with you this browser-first agentic workflow that I've been working on. I've been pretty excited about writing some pretty fun code, and I hope you like it and you find it valuable. So here we just have a blank page with a text box, and when I click or press enter with my development server, I'll see my application running in development mode. This here is a mock of Google Cloud Console, just inspired by Google Cloud Console. You can see that at the very bottom I have AngularAI, which is a button that opens a chatbot, which is just a chat UI. That is our interface for communicating with the agent. Now this agent is running within the context of my project, so I can ask it, tell me what are the routes names in my app. And it can, in this case, go directly to the source code and figure out what are the routes in my app. Found the routing configuration in routes, app routes.ts, and so that I have compute engine, cloud resources, and my home component. Great. But the fact that this agent is running directly in the browser, has access to all this browser context, allows me to do some fun things. You saw that I selected multiple component instances, for instance. So I can ask it to create a new page in my app for Cloud Run. Add the link in the navigation and in the Cloud Run component, create a form using the component I provided. So the agent is again going to start executing, but notice how I provided these component instances. I have access to all the runtime data in my application. So this agent understands not only the file structure and how to run commands, but it also understands my application, all the Angular specific injectors, the injector tree. It understands the reactivity graph, understands the component tree, understands the individual component state. So I can do some fancy things such as ask it to create, let's say, a test in my application for a particular component that uses its current state. That's an absolutely viable use case. In this case, I ask it to create a page in my application by providing individual component instances. And it can reason about quite a few things. You saw that Cloud Run already showed up here. It is also running ng build right now for verification, and it seems like everything worked out. The build was successful. Now, if we come to the form, we can see that everything is valid and everything is functional, and there is even some form validation directly here for us. Pretty excited about it. I see a lot of potential for very rapidly validating ideas. This is definitely not going to replace developers in reasoning about complicated logic, about shared state, or about business-specific domain logic. But I can see how it could allow you to quickly test ideas, even without leaving your browser. Also, ask questions about the structure of your application and understand deeply how everything works, because this agent has access to all of it. Well, thank you for listening to my video, and let me know what you think. Bye.